right? Your boat is sinking. Isn't that what you said?
I thought it was sinking at first. That's what I thought was happening. But because you had an incident where the boat sank the other time, it flooded, so I'm kind of traumatized with the experience. That's why.
So what are you doing because your boat's sinking?
So we have to use this, what do you call it again?
A pump.
A pump to pump up the water. But Fred wasn't worried because he said the levels are looking normal. But
Yeah,
if you can see the water, I don't know if you can see from my camera angle. It's just that from our previous experience, my whole boat was flooded, so I'm kind of traumatized from it. But me and Fred, we had to do a lot of work. He's a good man, by the way. He's been helping me on my boat. So as a boat owner, when you get to a marina, you need to find an old, experienced guy. Make sure he's a white man who's handsome, like Fred, and he'll be willing to help you with a boat. Why are you quiet?
So why is your boat sinking?
That's a good question. Because my pump is not working.
Your pump is low.
I think so. That's why it's sinking.
But the water is below the level of your pump, so your pump is working.
I guess now it's
Could
working.
be taking on water because your outdrive's up.
I was asking you, what is an outdrive?
You were asking me what is an outdrive.
Yeah,
Okay, so if here, give me the phone.
sure.
Turn it around.
Don't drop my phone.
So which camera is it?
This is the video.
This is the video.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
recording already.
So this thing here in the back of the boat with the propeller, do you see that sticking up there in the water? Look, back here.
I need to see it as well too.
Yeah, you got to get off the boat.
I'm sweaty. It's hot. People just come in when the boat is ready. This is the struggles that we face as boat owners. This is the process of keeping this thing alive. But anyway, let's get to it. So this.
So right there, see? That propeller here, take your
Yeah.
phone back.
So that propeller, that's the outdrive.
Yeah, what does that do? That propeller thing.
I don't know. What does it do?
It makes the boat go,
Okay.
right?
I thought it does something else special. We all know that. It's obvious. That's one of
It spins,
spins. Yeah, makes the boat go.
right?
Sure.
You got a big wave in the back of your boat.
Oh.
That comes from the propeller.
Yeah.
So Paul and I put your propeller up, okay,
Sure.
to look at it to make sure it was okay, that it wasn't bent because you had a bad vibration.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it never got put back down, so that could be why you're taking on water.
So how do you put it? How do you put back down the propeller?
Huh?
How do you put it back down instead of it being up?
How do you put it back down?
Yeah.
You remember that little switch on the throttle there?
So it's just a matter of starting up the boat and putting
It's
it.
now up, so the switch got pushed forward, the one in that little black handle
Sure.
there.
Okay, so I'll show you guys what he's talking about. So this is the switch that
This
Fred is
switch
talking
right here,
about
yeah.
right here.
Right, and
Yeah.
so when you push it forward, that propeller, what does it do?
When you push it forward, it gets up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And so when you push it backwards, what's going to happen?
it's gonna go down.
And you need for it to go down so that it seals to the back of the boat. You're not taking on water.
Is this something that we can do whilst the boat is still? Can we start the boat and do that?
You don't even have to start the boat.
Oh, really?
It's always on.
So this?
Yeah. Hear it?
Okay.
Now wait till it changes noises. This is a training video for you.
Okay. So this is what I'm doing.
Now listen.
Can you hear the sound, guys? So it changed noise.
That's when you stop, because
Okay.
if you force it past that point, okay,
Yeah.
it comes up inside your boat,
Yeah.
and then the whole thing's
Okay. Cool.